My name is Anjali, and I live in India. I am 21 years old, and I love Holi. Holi is my favorite festival of the year. It is a time of joy and colors. Every year, Holi brings happiness to everyone. We celebrate Holi with family and friends. It is a tradition we cherish deeply. The night before Holi, we gather together. We collect wood and build a large bonfire. This bonfire is called Holika Dahan. It represents the victory of good over evil. We light the bonfire and pray together. The flames dance in the night sky. It is a beautiful and sacred moment. We sing traditional songs and clap our hands. Everyone is smiling and full of excitement. The next morning, I wake up early. I can hardly contain my excitement. I wear old clothes, ready for colors. Holi is a very colorful festival. We use bright powders called gulal. Each color has a special meaning. Red symbolizes love and passion. Yellow represents happiness and health. Green is for new beginnings in life. Blue is for Lord Krishna, the beloved God. My friends and I gather in the streets. We have bags full of colorful powders. We greet each other with laughter and smiles. We begin by applying colors gently. Soon, the air is filled with vibrant hues. Everyone is covered in beautiful colors. It is a sight to behold and cherish. We throw gulal into the air joyfully. The streets are alive with color and music. A group of children runs past us. They are playing with water balloons. The balloons are filled with colored water. Splash! A balloon bursts, and we laugh. The water adds more color to our clothes. I feel like a child again, full of joy. We chase each other, laughing and shouting. The fun and energy are contagious. Holi is a time to let go and be free. As we play, traditional Holi songs play loudly. The music makes us dance and celebrate. We move to the rhythm of the drums. The beats fill the air with life. We dance in circles, holding hands tightly. Our feet move to the music, carefree. Everyone is united in happiness and joy. After hours of playing with colors, we rest. Our stomachs start to growl with hunger. We return home for a delicious feast. My mother has prepared special Holi sweets. Gujia is my absolute favorite sweet. It is crispy, sweet, and filled with love. We sit together and enjoy the meal. The food tastes even better on Holi. In the afternoon, we visit our neighbors. We exchange sweets and warm greetings. Everyone is in a joyful mood today. We wish each other a happy Holi. The festival brings us closer to each other. It is a time to forget past quarrels. Holi is about love, forgiveness, and unity. We also visit the temple in the evening. The temple is beautifully decorated with flowers. We offer our prayers to the gods. We thank them for the blessings in life. The atmosphere is peaceful and serene. The smell of incense fills the air. It is a moment of calm reflection. As the day comes to an end, I feel content. My heart is full of happiness and love. Holi is more than just a festival. It is a celebration of life and togetherness. The colors remind me of the beauty in life. Each color has its own story to tell. Holi teaches us to embrace each other. It teaches us to celebrate our differences. The next morning, the colors still linger. My skin is stained with vibrant hues. These colors are a reminder of Holi. They remind me of the joy we shared. I look forward to Holi every year. It is a day that fills my heart. Holi brings light, love, and laughter. It is a time to make beautiful memories. As the days pass, I cherish the memories. I think about the fun we had. The laughter, the colors, the togetherness. Holi leaves a lasting impression on my heart. It is a festival that connects us all. It bridges the gaps between people. It teaches us the value of unity. Every year, Holi brings new experiences. Each Holi is unique and special. I learn something new every time. Holi teaches me to appreciate life. It teaches me to live in the moment. It reminds me of the importance of joy. Life is like the colors of Holi. It is vibrant, diverse, and beautiful. My friends and I often talk about Holi. We share stories of past celebrations. We laugh at the memories we created. Holi is a festival that stays with us. It is a part of our identity and culture. We are proud to celebrate Holi every year. I look forward to the next Holi eagerly. I know it will be just as wonderful. The colors, the music, the love. Holi brings so much happiness to life. It is a time to celebrate with loved ones. To spread joy and happiness everywhere. Holi is a celebration of life itself. As I write this, I smile fondly. I think about all the beautiful moments. Holi is a festival that touches the soul. It fills our hearts with warmth and love. I am grateful for the joy it brings. I am blessed to be part of this tradition. Holi is more than just a festival to me. It is a celebration of the spirit of life. The colors of Holi stay with me. They remind me of the beauty around us. They remind me to appreciate every moment. Holi teaches us to embrace life fully. It teaches us to celebrate our differences. It teaches us to love unconditionally. As I reflect on this year's Holi, I feel content. The day was filled with joy and laughter. The colors brought out the best in us. We celebrated life in all its glory. Holi is a festival that unites us all. It reminds us of the importance of togetherness. The spirit of Holi is alive in me. It stays with me long after the festival ends. It fills me with hope and happiness. Holi is a reminder to live fully, to embrace every moment with love, to celebrate the beauty in life. I am already looking forward to next year. I know Holi will bring more joy. It will bring more colors into our lives. Holi is a festival of love and happiness. It is a celebration of the human spirit. Holi brings out the best in us all. I hope to celebrate Holi every year, to create more memories with loved ones, to spread more joy and happiness. Holi is a festival that I cherish deeply. It is a part of who I am. It is a part of my culture and heritage. The end of Holi marks a new beginning. It is a time to reflect and grow. Holi teaches us valuable life lessons. It teaches us to be kind and compassionate. It teaches us to embrace diversity. Holi is a festival that inspires us all. As the year goes by, I hold on to Holi. I keep the spirit of Holi alive in my heart. It reminds me to live with love and joy. Holi is a festival that brings people together. It is a celebration of life's beauty. I am grateful for the joy Holi brings. It fills my life with color and happiness. Holi is a blessing in my life. It is a festival that I will always cherish. I look forward to celebrating Holi every year, to relive the joy and happiness it brings. Holi is a time to celebrate life. It is a time to spread love and joy. Holi teaches us to be grateful. It teaches us to appreciate the beauty around us. Holi is a festival that stays with us forever. It is a celebration of the human spirit. As I finish writing, I smile warmly. I think about the joy Holi brings. It is a festival that fills our lives with love. Holi is a time to celebrate life's blessings. It is a reminder to live fully and joyfully. Holi is a beautiful festival, and I am grateful for it.